Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change slicer color in Excel. Click on the slicer and go to the slicer tab. In slicer style, just click on the drop down arrow and here you can see the light style available and dark style is also available. So you can use here the light style. You can see the different light color here showing, okay, in slicer, and dark style you can see the dark color here showing in dark color, okay. And you can custom here the slicer style. You can use the different color, okay, for slicer. Just click on the new slicer style and here you can see the one dialog box is open, new slicer style. Okay, you can enter the name of your style. So slicer style 1 is mentioned here. You can change it here. Slicer elements, okay, here you can see the preview. When you change this element formatting, you can see here the preview. Okay, suppose here I'm going to change the whole slicer and header slicer. So I select the header slicer. After that, just click on the format option. Okay, you can format here slicer elements, the font, border, field. Okay, you can use a different font. So I select here the different font, any one here. I select this one. Okay, see the here preview font. Then I select the bold preview, slicer slice. Okay, font size. Okay, then if you want to add the underline, you can add the underlines. Color here you can add. So I color add. Okay, red color. Okay, I'm going to format this coloring for header. Okay, I select here the header option. After that, just click on the OK and that's it. You can see in preview showing the first line is a red. Okay, as I select the color for header is a red. Now you can formatting other option also, select item with data, selected item with no data. So these are the different option available to formatting. Suppose I select the second one, click on the format. Okay, I fill your colors for select item with data. So I select the yellow color and click on OK. See the yellow color in preview showing. After that, I click on OK. And here you can see in slicer style, just click on the drop down arrow. And in custom, I created one slicer style one. When I click on it and you can see the changes on your slicer, I will click on it and see here as I created the header name with color, the different color, and as I select here the yellow color, okay, for selection, okay. So this is the way you can use the slicer color, okay. Different way you can create your own slicer style, okay. You can custom here, okay. So this is a way you can use here the colors for slicer in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.